Let's have a look at your camper. Firstly, you will have your logo up here, and this is a storage box. You can store stuff in there, and we have our camera here. So it's a four-way camera. We have one on each side, left, right, front, and back. And this side, this is another camera. And also this is a slide out and with the windows on it. So when you open the window, and this can also be slided out, you get more extra rooms inside. And here we have two water-based fire extinguisher and your shower tanks here, LED lights, your external shower, hot and cold water shower. On the back here, you have your 2.5 gallon spare tank and a quick release shovel. And inside this box is a hot water cylinder, and this is where you store your gas bottle. And on the bottom here, you have a door here. This is where to empty your black tank, your human waste. And so you pull it out to empty your human waste. Here's LED lights, a camera on your rear camera, and a quick release stairway. So you unlock the hook and take it out, and the stairway to let you get into your camper. And inside here is your diesel heater and your diesel heater tank. This is where you add your diesel. On this side, you have your diesel exhaust pipe, your 270-degree awning, your LED lights, quick release escape board. Over here, you have external power. This is where you charge your camper. This is where you add your water. And also this side, we have another wing doors with a slide out. Let's have a look inside. So this is your second bed. It's also your booth area. So this is made into the bed at the moment. So all you have to do is taking out this cushion and take another cushion out. Have this panel removed. And remove this panel. This panel is your table. So have this. Slide it in, and this becomes your table. Underneath here you have a lock, and this table is movable. And on the back side here you have a storage area, and this is your slide out. And you have a window here. This side here you have a fridge. On the bottom of the fridge here you have a storage area. On this side, you have your sink, your cooktop, and this is your converter switch, your camera screen, all your switches, your water gauge, another storage area, and here is your diesel heater fan. On this side here, you flip this door up first, and you flip another one up. You have a little lock here. Once you lock the door, and this is your toilet. On the top up here is your slide out bed. So you slide this out, have this two cushion in there, you make a very big bed. And one on the corner here, you have a 12-volt plug, so you can charge your phone and stuff. Slide it back in. On top here, this is your double-sided fan with lights on it. And here is your air conditioner. Each side on the wall, you have a large window. And the window comes with mesh and curtain.